taking a sample exam. Again, from any web browser, you can go to placement.missouriwestern.edu. From here, you can hit the Resource tab. In the Resource tab, you can look at Sample Placement Exam on the left-hand side, and you can choose to have a sample exam. This will link you to the sample exam that we're offering. You need your G number, and then you also need to input a password, which is going to be month, day of your birth date. After we input that, you can see that you are now in the sample exam. You have 15 minutes to complete the sample exam. You are allowed to do it an infinite number of times, and each time you're going to get new questions. Some questions have simple inputs. 12 divided by 2, well, that's just 6. Other questions will expand graphs. So here you can see that I have a graph that is expanded with D, E, and F. So all I have to do is put in the letters D, E, and F into the correct spaces. There are also other questions which are multiple choice. In here you have x squared minus 25 is equal to 0. We're solving the equation. The 25 goes on the other side. So the answer is going to be 5 and negative 5. You can separate those with a comma. Some questions are also in interval notation. Here, after we multiply up the 5, that's going to be negative 40. We can bring over the 4, which is going to be negative 36, and divide by the 2, which is going to be x greater than or equal to negative 18. In each one of these, we can click on Preview Test. Preview Test takes our inputs and renders what the computer thinks we're saying. So here, with my INF, you can see that it's converted into infinity. There's 3 pages that you need to click on. And you can see that there's various types of questions. When I'm finished, I can click on Grade Test, and it will tell me the score that I have out of 30. It will also show me which questions I got correct and which questions I got incorrect. Again, you are allowed to do this a multiple of times. Here you can see that I have a brand new exam. And that is taking a sample exam.